Almost up there. They went faster than I expected. I got this big old pack on. It's a lot of stuff for one night, but it's just so worth it. It's a beautiful trail.
Well, we made it. These falls are incredible. I mean, just look.
Wow.
Spread out amongst a bunch of rock. You can feel the wind. Yeah, we're trying not to get too wet.
Alright, we found our spot. Our tent's gonna go right here.
However, there's an interesting creepy note to this
spot. Oh, so creepy.
So that tent there, it was laid down flat. There's water in it. I'm pretty sure it's been there all winter.
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. It creeps us out. Anyways, we're right next to the river, gathering firewood right now, and then we're gonna start making some dinner. Here we
Hot
are.
chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Cheers.
Cheers.
Got our campfire going.
The mountain, got our tent set up. You probably
tents.
saw that.
Yep. It's a pretty awesome spot. We're right by the river. It's
Living in a tent down by the river.
9:10. Good morning.
Good morning. We're in our nice little spacious tent. After a pretty good night. It's pretty comfortable. We got the waterfall or the river going by. Heard a couple of avalanches last night. Big thunder coming out. Gonna get a fire burning in the northwest is not easy.
Everything is wet.
Everything's wet.
So we're gonna make some coffee.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Here we're making some coffee. Got the jet boil going. Water's in there.
There's a Starbucks on the mountain. Look.
There's Starbucks on the mountain. Yay! Alright, this is it. All packed up and ready to go. Woo! Alright, we made it back safely to the parking lot.
Oh yeah.